Okay, so computer engine is like vast topic. We need to see what is compute engine, how we are going to provision compute engine both Windows and Linux, and we need to know about the various machine types and images. How can we create images from the existing compute engine? Then we have snapshots. After snapshot, we will go through auto scaling, like how can we auto scale compute engine based on metrics. And after that, finally, we will see load balancing. So load balancer, like how we can implement the load balancer. So compute engine, like these many GCP services run compute engine on background. Like GC is what we will provision in within our console, like our Windows or Linux machine. And if we provision Kubernetes also, right, Google Kubernetes engine, like Kubernetes also, it will make use of compute engine in the background. And for app engine, like this is for mainly from the developer point of view. So it's mainly used by developers, Google developers. So in that background also we'll be using compute engine. Okay, so here what I explained. So we will is using compute engine. We are going to do some automation, nothing but auto scaling, then manage instance group, then another auto scaling and load balancer. So how many disks are available normally? Like persistent disk is what it will be provided with the with your boot disk. So these are the can detach, can move disk. Boot disk we cannot move, I guess. And so local SSD is what you will attach with your compute engine. So highest performance on data. If data will be lost, it will get terminated. And so these points then they will ask in mostly in the certification exam, like which disk you will prefer, whether it is local SSD or persistence or something other than that. Then standard persistent disk is also these are like major type of disks. This the standard balanced. So these things based upon it will be different based on the Google pricing plus the performance also. Like balanced persistent disk, it will be providing lower IO. Lower IO means like how many input output operations per second per GB. Okay, so if for example, if your application is demanding high number of users or high throughput or high read and write operations, then we will be preferring this which is having higher IOPS. And like if so, like the more number of IOPS means generally the price will also will get increased. So based on that, and this is SSD, which is like lower latency. Like if your user is experiencing, very, if your user want lower latency, which means very good performance and more IOPS, like more read and write operations in your disk, then you can prefer SSD. And this is for applications specific to SAP, HANA, and Oracle, where they will be having high performance databases and all. So in that case, you will be using extreme persistent disk. So these are the machine family type, like general purpose, which we like yesterday and all we have used N1 standard and all, right? Those comes under the general purpose. N1, E2, so everything those comes under the
Yes, yes.
general purpose. And compute optimized is more like high performance core compute engine. I have not seen any customer using compute optimized. Generally, they will go with a general purpose. They will go with general purpose first. They can go with high performance. Like in general purpose, they might be selecting 8 GB RAM or 15, 16 CPU or 8 to 32. So those scales they will use. And memory optimized and GPU is like again if you are doing more more high performance applications and also those will use. GPU is mainly for a machine learning workloads. Other than GPU, we have one more thing like TPU, which is like tensor flow processing unit. So those are mainly used for AI or ML based applications. And preemptible instance is like, see, you can create and run at lower prices than normal instance, but the only thing is like, it might stop if the instance is required to require access to those resources. It is like, for example, you provision a, VM with an option of preemptible instance. Okay, so it will get terminated at any point of time. Okay, so how, in what scenario we will use? Mainly on the big data and Hadoop solutions. Yeah, so this is like one of the feature of the cloud computing. So normally what will happen is like, if you provision a cloud computing, right? This will mean a data center. This will be your multi-tenant host. Okay, so in VM1, your, so just imagine your machine is VM1. You have provisioned one machine in VM1, and in same host, some other customer has provisioned VM2, and some other customer has provisioned VM4. So in multi-tenant host, your machines and data will be stored in an, let's say, in a shared format. Like in a multi-tenant host, you might be sharing your machine physically, not virtually, physically with these three other customers. But for example, if your company is mainly into security, or who are considering more about high premium customers, and all, who don't want to share data, here also your data will not be shared, but this is like more secure. So in that purpose, we have another option of using sole tenant nodes to keep the VMs physically separated from VM in other projects or groups. So, like in simple words, we can say in multi-tenant host, your VM will be sharing you and other customers will be sharing the same hardware. Whether in sole tenant nodes, you will be giving a separate hardware.
So obviously, we are just isolating this hardware. Like we are just purchasing for ourselves only that particular hardware. So for this sole tenants, the pricing would be the huge, right?
High, high. It will be high.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will be high. It will be high. It will be high. So that's why, like, only customers who are more into security, right? So those or who are dealing with what can I say? This, if you let's say your customer is some Visa or Mastercard or something like that, then they can
Yeah, the
go with
bigger
this
customer
channel.
like, yeah, bigger customer like a Spotify or something.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Spotify, who are like having more critical user data, so they can go with this one.
Yeah, and bigger account also they might they prefer this one, right?
Yeah, yeah. Maybe let's say for development, I mean for testing and development, they might be choosing multi-tenant host, and for only for production, they can go with sole tenant. That is also like one of the options if the customer wants.
Yeah, yeah,
And this is the instance life cycle. Like what happens while you provision the machine. So while provisioning, it will go with the instant start. No, it is after that it will go with the staging, then running, repairing. Then these are all the various state of the machines during the provisioning of the compute engine. So we can also give startup scripts so that we can just during load balancing or auto scaling we can do that. Like for example, if you want to install Apache and you don't want to do it separately, for example, like by provisioning the machine only, we can add that if you have a startup script on Apache or some simple other softwares, we can just add that feature during the provision of the machine, so that once the machine is available, it is already coming up with the Apache software. So that we can do with in a startup script feature. So these are like features like what is happening. Provisioning resources allocated to the VM. The VM will be not running yet. And in the staging, resources are required. VM is preparing for the first boot. Then running is VM will be booting up. And stopping is like VM will be stopped, or after that VM will enter terminated status. And these are the various other things like repairing what will happen, you know, terminated, suspending. So This is like the images what we can do. For example, if we have a compute engine, and that come from that compute engine, we can create an image. Okay. So necessary to create about this. If you create an image, right, while selecting the boot disk, you might have seen an option of custom images. So if we go to custom images, from that we can able to select our we can select these images instead of the normal publicly available boot disk, right? And from that we can able to provision the machine. We can do that from image. So for now, can we test the image features? If anyone is sharing the screen, then we can do that, or else I can
Yeah, I
able
will.
to
I
show.
will. I will.
What the process? Yeah. One second. Let me.
So you want me to
Now,
log into that free one, right?
yeah, free try. This is Bhushan, right?
Yeah, yeah.
1 second. And Dheeraj,
Hey, Arjun, yesterday we have created that new project. Can we delete that project?
yeah, you can delete.
How? How? This
Yeah,
one
after
shared.
this we
I
can
want
see.
to. Okay, okay, fine, fine. I thought like one click event will be there, so that's what. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, yeah. One click event only.
Yeah, just
Like
okay, fine.
right. Yeah, yeah.
My
So
first
you can just
project.
see the option like Bhushan, just click on any of the lab, any of the project.
Okay, this one is my shared
Like
project.
go to the main page. Like click on Google Cloud Platform. Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
There only. Okay, in project info, can you see three dots? Right, sir. Yeah. Okay, okay. Go to project settings. Below, add people to this project is there, right? Yeah. Okay, so there is an option for shutdown next to migrate top.
but this is a project shutdown or what?
No, no. After the thing is like I think it will not immediately delete your projects. So after if you give shutdown, right? Then
Okay,
for 30 days your project will be in the Google. It is like if you delete something, then it will go to the recycle bin, right?
yeah,
So,
right.
okay, okay, that's right. See, it will go to the recycle bin. So like in the span of 30 days, you can, let's say you can, I think you have option to restore or not. If you don't do, then automatically it will go.
The owner of the project will
Oh,
notified can stop the
even
deletion
for
within 30 days.
deletion. Yeah.
Okay,
So you have an option to release. So it is more like it will work like model of recycle bin.
okay, fine, fine. Now we can go there.
Yeah.
Uh,
Attention.
so compute
Yeah,
engine,
Arjun,
na?
you are saying something to me.
Yeah, yeah. What you're not getting that option? No, go to VM instance. Go to VM instance.
Mhm.
Okay, 1 second. We need to get some startup scripts just to verify. Uh,
We can create that script. Eco
yeah,
one
okay,
page
okay,
we
then
can.
fine.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, fine. That is fine. No, I thought like if you click on that, then you will get a web page or something like that. That's what I was.
Startup script we can create. We can touch one file only while startup.
Okay, then fine. Okay, you can go to create.
Hmm.
Okay, just keep everything in by default. Go and create.
I'm creating here only, right?
Yeah, yeah, here on. First, you will create a compute engine, and from that compute engine, you are going to create an image.
Creating
I think
in
capital
US
letter.
West. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, fine. No, not an issue.
This series N1. Okay, we are selecting
Yeah, you
here
can give
E2 only,
anything.
right?
Yeah, yeah, not. I mean, you can give anything. But since you're free try, right? Better to go with the low
Yes.
configuration.
Yeah. So N1 would be better, right?
Yeah, and
First
yeah, yeah, N1
generation.
is better. Yeah, and you can give F1 micro machine type.
Where? Machine type, okay.
Okay, that, yeah, go
F1
to F1
micro.
micro. Yeah, lower machine type. Okay.
Shared core, G1 small, okay. 614 MB memory, okay, fine.
Yeah, just go and create.
And then confidential boot disk.
Yeah.
Do I
No,
need to
this is
change
the
that?
Buddhist. We can keep it Debian. Or use
Yeah, okay,
Debian or Red Hat.
fine. And custom
Yeah,
image
select.
here, from here we can select it.
Yeah, right now we don't have anything, right? So we will create.
Yeah, right.
So select.
Uh, Select.
Yeah, create.
Direct create, right?
Yeah, directly. Yeah,
We need to that add that one, na? You are asking like that script while creating.
yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. We can do that right now. Go to
Where in
management.
networks?
Yeah, networking only. Click that. Click that the full tab. That is one tab. Go to
Okay.
management.
Yeah, just a minute. Network
No,
tags.
not
Okay,
networking.
that one.
Management. Yeah, management. Below that. Yeah. So there is an open automation, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there you click.
It will work or not?
It should work. But
It
I
should
am
work,
not sure.
right?
Like if no, if we give echo, like how are you going to verify? Like after once the machine is created, you need to log into that machine and we need to check this. Or
Yeah. We can after login we just need to. It will show like welcome to
okay,
Visual Path.
if you give etc. Okay,
Please,
okay, fine.
Dheeraj, it should work, right?
Yeah.
Dheeraj,
You can. It is. Yeah. The banner will be in the etc mode.
temp having full permission, so temp should create this Visual Path file also. That we will see.
And one more thing.
Okay.
Bhushan, can you just select that sole tenancy options? We'll check what is the price distribution.
Yeah, just
Where
check the
where it
pricing.
is?
It
Just
will
below the.
be. I think it will be in the
Sorry,
security
sorry.
section.
Security section. Okay.
I think so.
Okay, here.
Yeah.
No.
Uh, Not
It's
here.
under
Scroll down. Scroll.
management.
Sorry, so you are saying something I missed.
Management history.
Okay, here.
No, not that one. It will be some checkbox. Click
Enable
method.
deletion protection is there.
No, that is not the one. Method.
Solo
Yeah, yeah.
tenancy.
It's sole tenancy. Sole tenancy. Yeah.
What it is?
It is like which I told you, right? You will be assigning a dedicated hardware to the
You
provisioning
told,
of.
right? Yeah. Solo
Yeah,
tenancy
yeah,
and that multi something is there, no?
yeah. Multi tenancy is like normal shared hardware, and sole tenancy
Okay.
is like this. Yeah.
So how a label do I need to give or what? Here.
No, 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 no need to give. No need to give. That is different. That is node authority is completely different picture. So you
Okay.
can go and directly create the machine.
Okay. Now I directly create. There is
Yeah, like
create, right? For
Hmm.
that he wants some create tenancy.
okay, capital letter is not allowed.
Okay. Yeah. 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 Alphabets also not required or what?
No, no, alphabet is should be there.
Yeah, it's creating now.
In yesterday mission you deleted, right? From other project or something. Deleted. Yesterday we created some machines, right?
I guess need to check again. That's what I shut
Okay.
down that project, na?
Okay, okay. Project only you shut down. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Can I start this?
Yeah, yeah, just check whether we have that file or not. Just
Okay, it is
click on
already
SSH.
started.
Click on. It's taking so much
It's taking too much time, right?
time. Yeah.
Could not connect retrying VM serial console.
Oh.
Can I close it again? Try to connect.
Yeah, close this. You selected the default VPC only, right? You don't have any other VPC.
Yeah, nothing is there. Default one only.
Okay, maybe something has to do with the startup script, I think. Just minimize the screen,
Okay.
minimize the current screen. Yeah, select on that VM, visual path one. Just click on that. And after that, click on serial port one console. Yeah, just check if any logs.
Okay, it will show you that startup one.
Yeah. Not updating field, getting group.
This is Debian one. Dheeraj, Debian is having that MOTD?
No, I haven't worked on that. I don't know.
Even I am also not.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
instead of just
can
selecting the Debian, just
Oh, yeah, just
select
create a
the.
machine without the startup script, and after
yeah,
that
yeah.
we will log in. Then that is better. Just keep this machine like this. We'll see what is there after some time.
Can I edit or what? New one.
Just create a new machine. Keep it like that.
Okay, okay, fine.
Create a new machine. Yeah. Go back here.
Create with the CentOS or Red Hat, whatever you want.
Better, better.
So suspend is kind of terminating or what? Or
No, terminating we have delete, right? Suspending
yeah,
is
yeah.
like, I think right now the machine is having some doing some operation maybe. So to suspend that we have that.
Okay. So if we
Yeah,
click on the
directly.
suspend, it will shut down or it will reset or what?
Reset also there is a different option. Suspend I have not used that. Yes, directly just go and create. So,
Can I create directly, right?
yeah, create after that.
I am not sure which one I have selected for that boot disk. Sorry,
No, that will come Debian only, right?
but okay, fine.
Debian
We
only it will
want
come
to
by
the
default.
CentOS. Yeah.
Okay.
I guess this is with me only, this issue. I'm not sure.
Just go to the computer and click on the networking part. This one you shut down, right?
Yeah, I have
Go to
shut down
Visual
this.
Path 2. Visual Path 2. Yeah, you can delete the.
Serial port you are asking,
Scroll
right?
down, scroll down. No, scroll down, scroll down.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay, wait. Default only. It should have some alt. Check what is the status there. The other screen, the other screen. No. The login screen.
Okay,
SSH.
log. Back. Do I need to go back, right?
No, you have already opened, right? Or you closed?
Oh.
No, you are not closed.
Serial port you are asking?
No. The SSH login screen. When it is showing
Okay.
connecting, right? Connecting to SSH. Oh.
Can we try for that CentOS?
Yeah, try that. Dheeraj, by that time, can you create any mission?
The machine is already created at my project.
Okay. We'll see
Push
this.
it
If
to the access
why it is
access
not
my
working.
project at 5.8 something. The machine is already created over there. Yeah, once you're done with this.
Yeah, we'll check this.
Now I have selected CentOS 7. Okay.
Okay.
I'm not sure. Maybe this macro, the minimum disk is required. I'm not sure about Debian. But yes.
No,
Can we
Debian
can I
that is
select it?
default. That should be. Yeah, we can change that also.
Better I am selecting this one CPU and 3.75 GB of disk. I'm creating. Okay.
Yeah, great. What is this?
I'm deleting this.
Yeah, yeah. And this is not the project which you deleted, right?
No, this is
For
my
my
project.
project.
This is my one. I have deleted. I have shut down this shared one, which is not here.
Okay, okay, my shared one. Okay, okay, fine. Yeah, created.
Hope it should connect.
Check the port 22 is there or not. We can check that. Okay, it's check first check in serial first.
Question parallelly, can you just open the my project in second tab that I have shared with you? Just
Let me
open,
check.
just bottom. Yeah,
This
this
one,
Yeah.
one,
na?
third one,
Earnest airline.
third one.
Okay, my project.
Yeah, two I have shared with you. So
Test instance,
there
na?
I have created VM over there. Yeah,
Test
can you
instance.
just start it? Can you just start it? Let's go to the last and start it. Then try to after that once it gets started. So on top of the notification, it will show once it started. Yeah, that,
It is
Okay.
started.
Started, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Login. Okay, this is working.
Yeah, establishing connection to SSH server. Yeah, it is starting.
Okay. So we'll create some file here right now.
Here,
Yeah, yeah. This machine only.
can I create? You are asking to create, right?
Yeah, yeah. You can create. Yeah.
S.txt.
Okay, so we will create an image from this. You can close this.
Okay.
Yeah, go to image section, left side.
Left side
Left.
image
There is a
section.
scroll. Yeah, scroll down, scroll down.
Yes, here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Image. Yeah, click on the images. You will be having many images here. There are images like created by and they have made public. So we will create an image right now. So create image. One top option is there. Yeah. Okay. Image one. You can give some anything. We give Visualpath image or something.
yeah. Or you can give a Ubuntu, right?
Don't.
The Ubuntu one.
Yeah, anything. So source disk you select. Which is the source? Which is our source disk? No, this will be disk only.
Okay.
The next option. Source disk. So
Test
test
instance, huh?
instance one, right? Yeah, yeah. Select
Which
that.
is now we have tried. Okay.
Now we select instance. And if we
Multi-region.
want redundancy, then we can give multi-region. We can give multi-region.
Multi-region, yes.
Yeah. Then
Suppose,
admin.
yeah, Arjun, suppose I selected for regional, so then next time is I will select for regional only, right?
No, next time in the sense.
I mean, like next
See,
time,
like
suppose I need to create a machine, so that time if it is in regional, so it will not show
then you
me in
need to
another
select.
region, right?
No, no, no. See, this time if you select regional, right? Then while
Yes.
creating the machine, you need to go to Asia South one, Asia South two only.
Okay, okay, got it now. Got it. Family and this is optional. Description is optional.
No, everything is optional. You can just go and create.
Make sure all information is correct and you have completed all
Acha, acha,
required
okay,
details.
okay. I think your machine is running, right? The test instance. So the good practice is we need to switch off the machine and we need to create the image. But for here, we don't have any critical application, right? So if you just click there, keep
Mhm.
instance running, not recommended, and we can go on and create the image.
Okay, so now it will
Just
create, right?
have you click on the checkbox? No, you have not clicked on the checkbox. Yeah,
Which one? Which
go,
one?
go, go. Yeah, see, keep instance running, not recommended.
Okay, okay, got it.
Okay. So best practice is switch off and take the image.
Got it. But now we can try for the create. Okay.
Yeah, we can try. Yeah. This is like if you are doing any critical application or some intensive
Yeah.
read and write operations there, and after that, if you create the image, then you will not get that fully. Just give refresh. Above. Refresh. Next to create image, there is one refresh button. Like yeah. Okay.
So same image we can use for next project, right? It is like that only.
Yeah, image we can use.
Yeah, it is created.
Okay, now go to the virtual machine. We will create another machine, virtual IV instances. Yeah, create instance.
Dheeraj, I am creating in your project only, right? Just to info.
Yeah, just
Yeah,
remember to shut down once it is over. Okay,
Mhm.
okay you
yeah.
give name like copy of Visualpath. Just for our understanding.
Okay, it will understood.
Yeah, and select in multi-region also. I think we have selected Asia Pacific, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, so select any Asia Pacific region.
But still it is multi-region, right? So it will be available in all.
Yeah. Okay. You have selected multi-region. Okay.
Yes,
Just
yes.
select
I
go
have
and select the
selected
boot
multi.
disk.
This series should be same, right?
Yeah, this will be same. Select the boot disk. Yeah. Go to custom images. Select the project which we have the image. Like in Which one?
Yeah, here it
Chain
is.
24, right? Yeah, yeah, here. No, no, just select that one. Okay, drop down.
Visual path image
So,
here.
the visual path image. Yeah, select that and execute. And after that, create the image. Then we'll see whether we have that file or not.
Can I create?
Yeah, yeah, great.
Dheeraj, that one is okay. That one is CentOS or what?
It's a Ubuntu.
We can check that. Just click on that test instance. We'll check that.
It's a Ubuntu 1804.
Oh,
Yeah, it is created.
okay, login. Yeah.
Taking too much of time.
Yeah.
Could not reconnect.
This is the project shared by Dheeraj to Bhushan, right?
Yes, yes.
Mm,
Dheeraj, can you check in from your end also? I mean, like from your Google prompt, but that could not be the reason.
No, no. You have all the access, right?
Yes,
It
yes,
should
that's
be.
what.
This is not about access. So something is blocking. What permission you have given to him here?
Like computer admin, storage admin as well. Like,
Okay, but yesterday we logged in, right? Why when we given that you created a computer
yeah,
engine
yeah.
and
Now also I try to log in, right? I have created one file test.txt
okay, that
before
test
before
instance.
creating image.
Even he have created the image here, right? So he should be able to create the instance.
No, instance is created. The only issue is we are having login issue. Just check port 22 is there. Minimize this.
Here I can
Yeah.
create.
Oh,
Here I can try to log in here. Okay,
okay.
actual
This is
instance.
test instance.
Actually, yeah. But
Okay,
the
okay.
issue is with oh,
Try again once.
I will close all those things.
Oh,
Now I am again trying. Okay.
Okay. Minimize the screen. Okay. Go to our image copy of Visualpath. Okay. Scroll down. Scroll down. Okay. Click on network default next to
Here.
link 0. Yeah. Regional. Click on firewall policy, firewall rules. Okay, HTTP, SCMP, SSH is also allowed. Last you can see, right? Default allow
Yes.
SSH. 22 also active.
Default allow SSS ingress apply to all.
Yeah, yeah. This is like this is a default firewall rule applied to your default VPC, like your default network.
So it
So
should be
by
there, right?
default, yeah, it should be there. So by default, if you see here,
Uh,
there is a port open for Linux, and above that there is a port open for Windows machine. Okay, and if you see ICMP is also there, HTTP, HTTPS.
yes, yes.
Check here, check here, check there. I mean, our system also.
Okay.
Okay.
Dheeraj, can you try to log in from your end also and try to connect that SSS? I mean,
Yeah,
like try to log
I'll
in.
try.
Yeah, it's better you provision a machine first. I mean, first try to log in. If that is not happening, I will make you a presenter. Which one? Dheeraj Yadav? Yadav, right? First one.
See, there is the issue. We are unable to connect to the VM on port 22. Learn more. Saying something.
But port 22 is open. And I think you have clicked on the add option.
Dheeraj, your network is slow or I am facing the issue?
Might be
The
the
console is slow, I think.
might be the bandwidth.
Once again, Dheeraj, from your side, just try to create a new instance with that image. Close this. The phone itself is very slow. Are you able to connect to that new instance, new test one? This
Same
is
error.
second
I
instance.
think, yeah, yeah, yeah. New test
Hmm.
instance. So something is the issue with the image, right? That we have created.
Now let me check. 1 second. Make guess
What,
percent.
Arjun, what I am suspecting that instance was in running mode, right?
No, that should not be an issue. 1 second. Just give me 5 minutes. And just check in quick lab and see what we are getting. Because I have checked this, yesterday and the day before yesterday, and it worked. We'll just check. Just finish it up in 5 minutes. We'll create a file. Close this. Then we'll go to images. Create image. Source this one. And to refer to it. Flash. Okay, image is created. We will create configuration. No, by so much time. Okay, create lectures. Okay, I don't know. For me, it is fine.
Uh,
So you're able to see. Yeah, I think the issue might be.
Create, right?
Uh, okay, okay. The issue might be like Bhushan. Our machine is in like the source machine was in US Central one, and we have created I mean, image only, but images. What I know, like images are global, so they should be should be available.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we have selected multi-region.
Okay, we have selected
It's
multiple
showing
regions.
something with the port only. So, but
Yeah,
we
but
have
we
changed
check the
it.
port also. The port also it's open. Not sure what is issue.
The error code is 4003. Okay, I'll just dig on this today if I find
Hmm.
anything, and I'll try to bundle a new image. Okay,
New image.
with the
Yeah, new
new,
image. Yeah, try to
yeah,
create a new
I'll try
image.
to, yeah,
Even I am also
yeah.
trying by today that another one.
Yeah, I
Okay,
think,
okay, fine.
yeah,
Okay then.
Okay,
yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
so
Then bye.
and Arjun, tomorrow is Saturday, right? So
Yeah,
yeah, if you have time that we can spend more time like for covering the thing.
yeah, sure. Yeah, tomorrow I'm not sure. Maybe Sunday. I will let you know
Okay,
Okay.
because tomorrow I have something. We can have weekend also.
okay,
Okay,
okay, okay. I
I
thought
don't
that
have an issue. Only thing is like tomorrow, this weekend I'm a bit busy.
okay, okay. I just thought that we are just going day by day.
Bit slow.
So Saturday, Sunday is week off or what?
No, I actually asked for Saturday Sunday schedule also for this visual
Yeah,
path,
yeah.
and they were saying like no, we only have weekdays. So that's what they do.
Okay.
I mean, I am
So
open.
just ask
I
them.
am open for
Okay.
weekdays also. Yeah, yeah, sure,
We are
sure. I
also
will.
open. Yeah. Bhushan and me
Yeah,
also open for this. So then what is
yeah,
the
yeah.
problem? Right.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'll
okay.
just
I
talk
will
to.
let me check with
We
them.
also talk to them, and because the thing is like we can cover up the things very good, and weekend is got like it's a relaxed kind of thing, and we
Yeah,
can
yeah.
just
And we can have working
go.
session like this long time, right? 1 to 2 hours or
Yeah,
3 hours.
yeah. That is good.
Okay,
Okay.
I'll check with them.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Bhushan,
Maybe
what do
you
you
also
think?
initiate the same.
Yeah,
I mean,
not
yeah.
an issue
Yeah.
with me also, Dheeraj.
Okay. Okay. I'll just check. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, okay.
Bye
Bye.
bye.